Hi, I'm Brian Montanari. I'm President and CEO of HABCO Industries. We're an aerospace aftermarket manufacturer and design house. We have products that are commercial products, military products, products that are fixed wing, rotary wing, and we partner with some of the biggest aerospace companies in the world. I have a lot of passion for what CONNSTEP and the other MEPs do. I think it's a vital part of the U.S. manufacturing ecosystem. And so naturally, when I came to HABCO, it made a lot of sense for us to utilize CONNSTEP services here.
HABCO has worked with CONNSTEP in multiple different areas. One of the major projects we've done with them are internal audits. We've also done some lean initiatives and some workforce development with supervisory camp. The internal audit really helped strengthen the core of what we do every day.
Internal quality audits are a requirement of AS9100. They're important to make sure that everyone is on the same page in their processes. Every department has their own processes that align with AS9100, and it also helps to identify any gaps in those processes. The benefit of having CONNSTEP is somebody comes in who doesn't work in our processes every day. Having somebody come in with no experience with our processes can look at those, review those, and interview our department members and see if there's anything missing that we're doing or anything wrong that we're doing. An outside auditor can look at that, identify that, and help us improve our processes.
Partnering with somebody for internal audits is important. So it protects us in two manners. It protects us from an external audit because we've already identified the issue, and it protects us internally because we're asking the auditors to dig deep. We have a great director of quality, so he's our internal point of contact, so he works with CONNSTEP.
They're always friendly. They're not here to get you or find issues and, punish you for anything. They're here as a benefit of the company. So it's always a positive relationship I have with the auditor.
It's those partnerships with CONNSTEP that allow us to challenge ourselves and bring resources in so that we don't have to do it all on our own.
Our customers are everything to us. We would not be in business without them. So making sure that we supply the most valuable product to them in the most efficient way. And that's really where we benefited the most from CONNSTEP. Working with CONNSTEP has really helped us rise to the occasion.